Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and it's my favorite time of year again. So we're going to do something special. We're going to do
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Good evening. I've always wanted to do that. Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Like my staff. I made this, believe it or not. Yep. And all the parts came from the dollar store. What? Yeah, I'll tell you how you do it later on. Okay. Have you guys wanted to have a Halloween dinner or a Halloween party, adult? Or just a dinner, like I said, with the family and movie night? Well, tonight, I'm gonna show you how to do one on the budget. And it's gonna be zombie meatloaf face. Come on, I'm gonna show you what you need and how you do it. Okay, we are gonna need some celery. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 stalks of celery here, okay? And I've got 3 small onions. So you either need 3 small onions or 1 large onion, okay? Depending on what you like. Now, I got a new pizza tin. You're gonna see what we do with this later. This is the main part of it. I'm gonna slice up my onions, okay? I'm gonna slice them up, onion skin. I'm gonna slice them up as fine as I can. Okay, now I'm gonna chop up my celery. Same way. Try to get it as fine as you can because you're making a meatloaf. But it's gonna be in the shape of a zombie face. And you don't have to be Picasso to do it. Okay. I'm gonna save these for something else. Now, I'm gonna make sure this is chopped as fine as I can get it. I'm gonna take it over to the stove and we're gonna saute these vegetables till they're totally done. Come on, let's go. Here at the stove, I'm gonna put in all my veggies in the skillet. Stand back, because you never know if the grease will pop you. You know what I mean? All right. To this, I am going to add a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm not adding any salt. Stir this around a bit. But what I will add for some extra flavor in these veggies, some salt-free chicken bouillon. Yes, 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 yes. Mm-hmm. Oh, it smells so good already. Now you know it's coming. I wish they had smell-o-vision. Oh yeah, it smells good. This is going to add a twist to your meatloaf and make it taste real good. And then I got another twist. As I know everybody's thinking meatloaf, when you taste this meatloaf, it'll be the best one you ever tasted. You can even do it for the holidays. Just don't do it in the face of a zombie. All right, I'm gonna saute these till they're completely done. You don't want crunchy vegetables in your meatloaf. Veggies are done, and I got some peas and carrots cooking over here. And then I'm gonna, for a side, and then I'm gonna have some mashed potatoes for the other side. Those you don't have to make spooky, because let's face it, peas and carrots to a kid are spooky enough. All right, let's put this with the other ingredients. I have 3 pounds of ground beef, 1 pack of low sodium bacon, about 3 slices of leftover bread, the heels, 2 eggs, meatloaf seasoning, 2 packs, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and of course our veggies. And one more thing, I'm going to put in about anywhere from a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup milk. Okay, first thing I want to do is put in that milk. Nieces and nephews, I changed my mind. I'm going to put in a cup because I have 3 pounds of ground beef. Okay, I'm going to put that in. There's a reason I did that. Okay, all right. Now I'm going to slowly work this meat in with the milk. Now I'm putting the dry ingredients, and you're going to see how it sops up that milk real fast. All right, let me just grind up our bread. Okay, I'm gonna start working this in. Don't worry, the clumps will go away. Just once you start mixing this, it'll all blend together. I'm also gonna put in our 2 eggs. I want all the wet ingredients in here right now. Nina, what you doing? It's a nice, dark, calm night outside, you all. And it makes it kind of spooky. Later on, me and Miss Nina are going to go for a walk. We always do that around Halloween time. And it is so fun late at night. But then again, how scared can I be with a 50-pound pit bull? Say that 50 times fast. Yes, Miss Nina is a 50-pound pit bull. But she's sweet as pie. She really is. All right. Now I want to put in my onion powder, which I'm going to put in about a tablespoon because I got so much meat. Okay. And I'm going to put in the same amount of garlic. Okay. Now I'm going to put in my meatloaf seasoning. Both packs. Because I like it spicy. Now, if you don't like it that spicy, just put in 1 pack. But I put in both. Okay. Now, this does have some salt in it. If you can find a low sodium meatloaf spice, do it. Okay. Now, my hands are clean because there's only one way to do this next step, y'all. Get your hands in it and get a little messy. And that's what I'm about to do. All right. Now let's get to the fun part and start shaping it into a face. All right, I've got my meatloaf mixed up and it's shaped like in a ball. Such a pleasant thud. Oh, yes. So now, I'm going to off camera, I put a little oil on my hands so that it won't stick to my fingers. I'm pushing this up to the top almost. Now, I'm going to start to make this in the shape of a skull as best I can. You do not have to be an artist to do this. I'm going to push it down some because I don't want it to be too funny. All right, now we're going to take this, push it together. We're going to make him a nose and some eye holes, y'all. Eye holes. Make a nose. It's easy. See how I did that? Use some nose holes. Look at that. Nose holes. Did I say that right? Nose holes. I am having fun. Oh my goodness. This is something else. Now we're going to make him a mouth. Okay. Make sure the nose holes open his mouth up like, oh, I've been cooked. Okay. Now, I'm going to move him aside. I'm going to wash my hands right quick. And we'll go from there. So, oh, I just realized he's upside down. But I can fix that. See how I did that? Okay. All right. Let me spin him back around. I'm going to take an onion and we're going to make his eyes and his teeth. I know y'all think that's going to be difficult, but no, it's not. I never can find my knife when I need it. First, let me take off these skins. Now, as far as the difficulty rating on this recipe, I give it a 3. Because it's simple. It's a meatloaf, and you're shaping it. Like I said, you don't have to be Picasso to do that. Okay? Now, come on, little eye. You see this rounded part here? You're going to take that and you're going to cut it like that. Because that's kind of round, like an eyeball. Okay? But now I'm going to do one on this other side. Right here. Okay? So now we got 2 eyeballs. We'll set these right here. Now I'm going to pull off a piece like this. Cut it in half. Then cut it like this. And these are going to be his teeth. All right. Now, let's put his eyes in. Like that. Look at that. Put the eyes in. Gonna give him a little bit of a furrowed brow look. All right. Now, we're gonna put in his teeth. I'm gonna have to cut these down some more. Stick them in just like this. 1 tooth. 2 teeth. Teeth. Well, I wish I could do that to myself. There we go. We'll have it missing a tooth, just like Uncle Chris. Now, I'm working on it, y'all. Hey, look, teeth are expensive. I am finding that out. Put them at the top and the bottom. They do not have to be perfect because he is a zombie, okay? He has been baked. He ain't coming back. Oh, good. This will be a pointy one at the bottom. And then we'll do a chipped one right there. There we go. Give him a little space. And there you have it. A zombie meatloaf. Now, we're going to give him some eyes, y'all. Watch how we do this. Now, we're going to take our bacon and we're going to wrap it so it looks like muscles and skin. I tell you, if my mother could see what I'm doing right now, she'd probably looking down going, this boy has always loved Halloween. All right, now that he is sufficiently wrapped up, it is time to bake him unalive. Let's go. Watch this, y'all. I took 2 black olives, cut them in half. For the pupils for his eyes. Now, we're going to bake him at 375 degrees for an hour or until done. Okay? Now, I'm also going to put a pan under here just in case the grease is so much that it comes out. Now, you, on the other hand, use a deeper dish if you need to. I'm just doing this because it's easier presentation for me. I'm going to have an extra one underneath. All right, here we go. All right, nieces and nephews. Now, I've drained the grease off of him off camera, but I'm going to touch him up a little bit because his eye moved a little bit and we got some of the grease. Yeah, there we go. Some of the oil is still in here, but that's all right. Look at that. This kind of just adds to it. Oh my, I'm just touching it up so we can see. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. And the teeth and the lips. Oh. Okay, last step. As if it wasn't bad enough, I'm going to take some ketchup and I'm going to go on the outside. Trace to the outside. Just let it drizzle on down. And there, zombie face meatloaf. Was that too dramatic? Nieces and nephews. It looks so cool and scary. With a side of mashed potatoes and some peas and carrots. Good eating. I'm telling you now, you can watch a movie with your family, have this for a special Halloween dinner, and it's within your budget, and everything you have to make this is in your pantry, or you can get from the food pantry, or you can get from the store inexpensively, okay? So you don't have to run out and get some fancy schmancy thing for your party or spend too much money. Now, for the rest of the season, I'm going to try to do a Halloween special goodie every day. Plus, we're going to have some fall goodies because soup time is on. Speaking of soup, I'm going to show you a hauntingly good soup tomorrow. Plus, some hauntingly good drinks for the kids and for the adults. Drinks that you don't have to worry about, that won't taste good and are easy on your budget. Okay? All right. Like, comment, subscribe. Write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, if you dare. And, ooh, I'm going to show you how to make this. Okay? It's so cute, and I really love it. Oh,